All right. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Sorry for the technical issues. Um, could not uh, get started in time. Uh, my computer was running very slow. Applications were loading very slowly. I had to restart my computer. But finally, it started to work. Still slow, but hopefully we'll be able to continue our presentation. Again, happy Saturday. Thanks for joining. This presentation is about trading futures and creating abundance. We mainly intend to give you a demo of our new version of automated trading software, which is Sliver Bullet Pro. So since we lost some time, I will dive right into the demo of the trading software and give you an idea of what this software is about, or how it takes trades and makes income for the traders. So um, without any delay, let me just go to the software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the software using yesterday's data. Just want to make sure here I have the window open. Every week I give a demo using the previous day's data, that is Friday at market open. Market opens at 8:30 a.m. Central Time, and that's the timer I have set it for NASDAQ minis futures using 15-second chart on my NinjaTrader platform. And I'm going to load the software and show you how it works. So here I go to the strategies, load the software. This is Sliver Bullet Pro version 2, our latest and greatest one. And I'm going to use the loss parameters. You can update the loss parameters and profit targets. So I have used the loss parameter of $2,500 for the session and profit target of $1,000. And there are ATMs, different ATMs, which stand for automated trade management settings. So ATM 1 takes trades with 1 contract, ATM 2 takes trades with 2 contracts, and 3 with 3 contracts. Now, I will not touch anything else. I will just enable the software. And today, we'll see if we can achieve $1,000 using the software. So this is a nice minimalistic interface, user interface of the software. There are different ATM buttons. These are the 3 buttons using which you can select the number of contracts you want to trade. These are long, short, automated trading buttons. And then pink ones are the strategy buttons. Different strategies we have. Then this is a stop reset. If something goes wrong, if you don't want to kill a trade even before it reaches its stop, you can stop it manually. And this buy sell are manual buy sell buttons. There is a Heiken-Ashi, which changes the chart or the candles to Heiken-Ashi candles for easy recognition of the trend. And then there is a scale-in mode, aggressive mode, all that. So let me start the timer and see where the market opens. So I started the timer and I'm looking for, okay, market has opened way down here. Here is where the market is at this moment. So what I'm going to do is, though we don't recommend it doing, but for the demo purpose, I'm going to take long and short trades without any discrimination. Uh, without any analysis of the market condition, I will take trades in both the directions. My favorite strategy is contrarian strategy. I'm using that here, and I have scale-in mode on, meaning if a trade goes against me, the software will add more positions to the trade and try to come out for break even. And then aggressive mode is for market orders. Without aggressive mode, the defensive mode is for limit orders. So I'm going to use these settings and let the software uh, take reach $1,000 in profit, or it will stop if I hit $2,500 in loss. So I'm going to increase the speed, and just now we saw there was one trade. I should have slowed it down, um, and that was a profitable trade, so of $97. So if I get the next trade, I will pause it and show you what's happening.
Filled.
Okay, so here 3 contracts have been shorted, 3 futures contracts, and we are aiming for 8 ticks of profit, and we'll see if we get the profit.
Target filled.
Yes, so trade got closed for profit, so $97 again. So total from 2 trades, we made $194. So we are aiming for $1,000.
Target filled.
So one more trade, and that was profitable as well, $97 again.
Or target filled. Order. Target filled.
So market opened at 8:30, and in 6 minutes 55 seconds, about 7 minutes, we have made $487 after commissions. So in 7 minutes, less than 10 minutes, we have made about $500. So we want to make 500 more and see if we can achieve that.
Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So it prints the profit that each trade has given us. So it's $97 of profit. So for a moment, the profit reached $1,000, and the price went back, and it came below $1,000. So here, when it went above $1,000, trade buttons got disabled. So I had to re-enable it because we haven't reached our $1,000 goal. So I'm going to turn it on again.
Order filled. Target filled.
So one more trade we need. Okay, once again, it got disabled because for a moment, for a fraction of a second, the price went above $1,000, and before it could close, we exited.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So finally, it reached $1,000 in profit. So total trades 13, one trades 12, lost trades 1. So here, the very last trade was a break-even trade, almost break-even. The reason is it went long here, and then but market went against us, and then it added a position here, and again a position here, and finally came out for break even at this point. So that's how we avoided a loss and came out profitable and reached our goal of $1,000. So, and in about 15 minutes, we started around 8:30, and in 16 and a half minutes, we made the software helped us made $1,000 of profit. So, is it one-off? Can it be repeated? Let's see if it can be done. This is not the way we trade. There is a lot of theory behind the trade that goes in, but this presentation is just to demonstrate the quality of or the potential of this software. So here again, I am going to change the risk profit target to, instead of 1,000, I will aim for $2,000, and let's see if we are able to reach that goal. So I'll enable it, and again I will trade the same way that I traded before, and
Order filled. Target filled.
started the software.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So I restarted from where we left off, where the previous session
Order
ended.
filled. Target filled.
And this time the profit target is $2,000, not $1,000. So we had to.
Order filled.
It's an even more aggressive target.
Order filled. Target
I'm going to
filled.
increase the speed so we
Order filled.
playback is faster.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So we reached $1,000 so far.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So that was a break-even trade.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Close to $1,500.
Order
500
filled.
more to go.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So profit target reached $2,000. And how much time did we spend? The first 1,000 was reached at around 8:46 a.m. And then we traded about 30 minutes more, 32 minutes for next $2,000. So in about 50 minutes, the software helped us get $3,000 in profit. So this is how this software helps us trade. Not every day is the same. There are different market conditions each day, and that's what we teach in our education program, which is part of Sliver Bullet trading system. And this software comes with that uh, as part of that system. So for any inquiries, feel free to message us at 331-255-3656 or email us at info@slivertrades.com. Our website is www.slivertrades.com. It's SLIVERTRADEZ.com, slivertrades.com. So in last 50 minutes, I showed you this. The first session was for $1,000 of profit, and second session was for $2,000 of profit. Um, it's not to say that you can do it, every day, all the time. You cannot keep it on all the time. There are different market conditions. User discretion is needed. User attendance, participation in trades is needed. It's not a hands-off trading system, even though um, a lot of times it works that way. So let's do it once again, if it can do the same magic again. So again, this time I will perhaps use $1,000. Maybe I should increase it to try same 2,000. Or why not try $3,000? Let me see if we can do it. And if it cannot reach 3,000, we will see why it might have happened. And at some point of time, I would expect the software to not work because market conditions change. And here I am trying to take trades without discretion, without making any decisions, just automatically, which is not the intention of this software, but still it is very powerful. And that's the power I'm trying to demonstrate here, that with user interaction and decision, trading the appropriate way in the right market condition, one can generate income consistently every day. So this time I have inputted $3,000 of profit target. So it's ambitious. It's till now we made $3,000 in profit. Again, I'm putting in $3,000 as another target, new target. So first one was 1,000, second was 2,000. This time I'm aiming for $3,000. So let's see. Using the exact same ATM, long, short, indiscriminately, bidirectional trades, basically, contrarian mode, scale in, aggressive, everything. And I'll turn this on and sit back.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
This time market condition is not as favorable as before, because I see there are a lot of break-even trades, even though we are profitable.
Order filled. Target filled.
There were few break-even trades.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Achieved $1,000.
Order
Ideally,
filled.
one should stop trading once they reach a decent amount of profit. But I'm showing you a demonstration of the software and how it works.
Target filled.
I am just continuing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So far $1,800 in profit.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
2,000. We reached 2,000. So
Order filled.
just to summarize, so far this is the third session we are trading, and first session we achieved $1,000 in profit. Then we raised the profit target to 2,000. It achieved even that. When we became even more ambitious and set the target of $3,000. So here is a target of 3,000, and we are trying to see if the software can help us achieve that ambitious profit target of $3,000 using trading futures. So till now, out of those 3,000, we achieved 2,000. Ideally, I should stop trading, should not be over ambitious or greedy here, but here this is the demonstration of the software, so I let it run. So
Order target filled.
continues to print profit for
Order
us.
filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So $250 more to go.
Order filled. Target filled.
150 more to go.
Order filled. Target filled.
So here, trade buttons got disabled again because for a fraction of a second, we exceeded $3,000. But by the time the trade position got closed, the profit went below 3,000. So when it went above 3,000, the trade buttons got disabled. So I had to re-enable it. So I'm going to do that and turn it on again, so that this trade buttons will get enabled again, and I'll be able to take another trade. So
Target filled.
so now I achieved $3,000, and as you see, the trade buttons got disabled here, and the profit target was also reached here. It's so now software will not take any more trades. So this is the power of the software. So excuse me. So this time $3,000. So when we started to trade at 8:30 in the morning. We used yesterday's data, that is August 16 data, at 8:30 a.m. when the market opens, and since 8:30 we ran 3 sessions using the software. As you saw, first session we set the target for $1,000. The second session we increased the target from $1,000 to $2,000. It achieved even that. And the third session we just got concluded. We set the target of $3,000, and the software helped us achieve even that. So it's a $6,000, 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000, total $6,000 since 8:30 in the morning. So now it's 10:17, which is like an hour 50 minutes. In an hour 50 minutes, it helped us make $6,000. And this is not how we are supposed to trade, but we traded indiscriminately, long, short, by both the directions, hands free, as you have seen. This is not how we ask our traders to trade. We provide complete education as to how to read the market condition. And after reading the market condition, we recommend that you take trades only in one direction, either go long or short, not both, because that way you can, you keep your wins for longer time. Some days the market acts wacky, it's very choppy, and in those days, even software will not be able to help. So that's when some human decision is needed. When you see that the market is tanking, that time you should not go long, you should not buy. So here the software helped us come out of those trades, like losing trades as well, for break even. But sometimes, in extreme cases, when the in extreme market situations, software will not be able to rescue. So that's why we say that, you be present when you are trading. Do not let it run without without you being present there, because if things are not going the right way, you need to be there to press the stop button and take the loss, live for another day. So this stop button is very important, and this is the single thing that a trader must learn to do, that when things are not going the way it should, they press the stop button, cut their losses. Otherwise, for rest of the stuff, there is software, and we provide education as to how to read the market, how to understand the market structure, what it does, how it behaves, all that. And once you get that education using this software, we kind of let you trade. And let me go back to the presentation, which I wanted to cover today. So this, I showed you the demo. It's a sliver bullet system, could be a path to financial freedom. I am Rao K, founder of Sliver Trades, based in Chicago, Illinois. And the statutory disclaimer I must show, before the presentation, that trading involves risk, but we aim to minimize risk by using other people's fund, not our own money. So I'm going to cut all this because you can check our YouTube channel. It's called Sliver Bullet Trading System. You search for Sliver Bullet Trading System on YouTube, and you will see the previous presentations, so you can watch those presentations. But each presentation, I do the demonstration using the unique data, that is previous day's data, which I just did and showed you how the market, how the software takes profitable trades. So so you can check those videos, but here I want to give you some input or some education. I'm trying to, my computer has been having problems since this morning, but that's why it's very slow. But hopefully my pen will start and I can scribble. I'm trying to use this pen. Okay, finally it got, I have the pen. So I want to cover a little bit about the market conditions. So there are basically only three market conditions in stock market or futures market or any financial market. One is market is uptrending market. A market can go up this way, or market can go down this way, like this, or market remains sideways, goes nowhere, like this. The uptrending market, downtrending market, and sideways market. The uptrending market could make swings and go up this way. Sideways market could be, or downtrending market could be like this, going down, making swings. Or sideways market could be really flat, almost, line like this. So these are the 6 conditions, I would say, using different flavors of swing. And I'm going to number these market conditions. Uh, so the software that I just demonstrated can take trades in any of these market conditions. I used one particular strategy. I used only one particular button on the software, and took all the trades today. And but there are 6 market conditions, and for each market condition, we have a specific strategy button to use. Um, so software can help you take automatic trades, but what we advise our traders who join our membership, we ask them not to trade in market condition number 4. You know, this market condition is not good. This is where your presence is needed, your monitoring is needed to avoid trading in this kind of market condition. And the reason being, when the market is flat for extended period of time, what it will do, it will break out in some direction or the other. It has to break out. It cannot stay flat for extended period of time. So in our experience, most breakouts fail. Whenever there is a breakout, it almost all the time it fails. And what do I mean by that? Uh, so say this instrument has been flat, going nowhere for extended period of time, and then it suddenly breaks out. And what happens? A trader, a novice trader, a newbie trader, will buy the stock, or may open a long position here, and they will put a stop loss here, stop loss. And then what happens is the breakouts fail, the market turns, takes this stop loss. Now the trader has incurred a loss. He would think that, okay, now the market is going down, he needs to sell or short, and he might short double the quantity of what he used for buying, because he now needs to not only profit from the trade, but also recover the loss from the previous trade. So even if he doesn't double the quantity, he just uses the same quantity and shorts the instrument here, places the stop loss here. What happens? Market again goes back up and takes this SL as well, and keeps going up and keeps going up and up. And with 2 losses, trader has no funds left, or almost half of his funds left, and he does not have courage to take another trade, because he has already taken a lot of loss. So that's the reason we advise our customers or traders not to trade in this market condition. Software can definitely take trades, and it could give you profit for some time, but when it fails, it'll fail and give you a loss. So that's why that's the no software can trade forever without and give you profit every time, right? Otherwise, everybody will start using that software. That's why human presence is needed. Automated bots uh, cannot generate profit all the time. When coupled with human intelligence, it can. So this is the nicer diagram of the same thing that I was talking about, and that market condition number 4, when price is in a narrow range, flattish, we should avoid trading. And here I'll give you an example of this market condition number 4, a real life example, so which we should avoid trading. So here the market was flat for extended period of time. It was just in a very narrow range, and then what happened? It broke out. If you see this faint line here, this faint line, this was a green candle at some point of time, means price was going up here. It went up all this way. And if somebody thought that, okay, they could buy here, placing a stop loss here, and what happened? The price went down all the way till here. The red big created red big red candle. It took the stop loss here. And if somebody thought that they could short here, if they shorted and placed the SL here, stop loss here, what happened? Price went back up, took this SL, and it kept going up and up and up. So this is the reason we advise that people avoid trading this market condition. So and there are a lot of other things that we teach in our academy once you join the program. This is the most important part of our education, the market DNA, how market follows a pattern and repeats itself, repeats that pattern day in, day out, all the time. Once you understand that pattern, you can virtually predict the direction the market is going to go and profit from that knowledge. When you know the market will go up, you'll buy. When you know market is going to go down, you will short. And since we lost a lot of time today, I'm not going to go into detail. But again, this watch the previous videos on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is Sliver Bullet Trading System, and I have covered this market DNA concept in detail. So you all are accessible on our channel. So that will give you an idea of this this market DNA. And here I have explained with real life knowledge how the market repeats in a pattern. It goes up and comes back to meet this red line, which is 233 SMA. All the time it happens again and again. Price moves away from 233 SMA and comes back to 233 SMA. So that knowledge we share. And Sliver Bullet Pro software that I just demonstrated was launched last month, the version 2 of it, and that's going to be available to those who want to join our program. And here in the previous sessions, I have explained how trading should be treated as a business and what is the cost of it and what's the income potential. And our goal has been to reduce the cost of setting up trading as a business to 1/10 of what it used to be earlier. So 1/10 of this total and increase the potential of income tenfolds. The cost goes down by 10 times or becomes 1/10, and income potential goes up 10 times. So then it's really a business. So again, I'm not covering that today. Please do watch our previous videos on YouTube. And I have covered all this in detail about that 50,000, how it can become less than $5,000, and how this 1,000 per month can become $10,000 per month. And this software, and we also ask our traders not to use their own money. We have source of funds where other people provide us the funding for a small subscription fee. We can get their funds and we can trade parallelly in multiple accounts. So even if you take 2-3 trades and make about $100 per account, you can copy trade it across multiple accounts and multiply your income potential. So the $3,000 or $2,000 in profit that I showed you, that was in one account, that was mainly to demonstrate the power of the software. But in reality, we recommend that you don't take 30, 40, 50 trades per session. Just focus on taking just good 3 to 4 trades. trades that are certain, there are no way those can make loss, that kind of trade. Take 3-4 trades and trade across multiple accounts, and that way you'll be safe, you'll be consistent, you'll be able to generate decent amount of income every day, almost any time of the day. So if it is not set up this way, then we are just gambling. We'll be lucky one day and unlucky next day. So we don't want to do gambling here. We want to trade as if it's a business. Every day it has to generate income for us. So these are just examples of how we copy trade across. Sometimes it makes only $30 of profit. Some accounts it could make more. Depending on the market condition, we decide whether to take more risk or less risk, and that risk management aspect we teach in our training. So this I already covered. It's possible to bring the cost of setting up trading as a business to below $5,000, and if we trade in 10 accounts simultaneously, that $1,000 per month can become $10,000 per month. So one time 5,000 to get $10,000 per month for rest of our life, rest of our healthy life, and from anywhere. And this is the funds that they companies that the companies that provide funds, they want to evaluate you first by giving you a small account and asking you to reach a particular profit target. Once you reach that profit target successfully, they'll send you a certificate like this, that hey, you passed the evaluation, now you can be funded to once you are funded, real fund, actual performance funded account, when they give you, any profit that you generate is yours except 10% of it. The funding provider takes 10% of your profit. So that's their business model. So these are all the certificates that we have in our own business. We have achieved in last 8 months since our inception. We started in November last year, and since then we have generated about we passed about 35 or so 30 more than 35 evaluations. So all these are certificates from those evaluations. So last one was August 5th. All these 4 were from August 5th. So we are averaging about one certificate, one evaluation passed every week. So this just wanted to give you an idea. Now the decision time. Is it for you? Again, I had to cut down my presentation today because of the delays, but I covered the demonstration extensively. In fact, I never did 3 sessions of demonstration of the software. Those who have joined late, I see some people are still joining. This presentation will be on YouTube, and you can go and watch the video. And I did 3 3 sessions with the Sliver Bullet Pro software, which I never did before. I always did only 1 session, but today I did 3 sessions. First session with $1,000 of profit target, second with $2,000 of profit target, and third with $3,000 of profit target. I never set the profit target of 3,000 in any of my previous demonstrations, but today I just went ahead and did it because a lot of theory I did not cover, so I thought I'll compensate by doing extensive demo of the software. But now the question is whether this Sliver Bullet trading system is for you. This system is not for you if you have a safe job for life. If you are you have guarantee of steady income, you don't need to spend time in anything else. Why should you, right? Because you have a safe job for life. Now If you have a source of huge passive income from inheritance or otherwise, you don't need it. Why to even put an effort of 1 hour per day to generate income? But when you have a huge source of passive income, and if you don't need you don't need some sliver bullet trading system if you are happy with your current financial situation and your future situation. So happiness is a state of mind. Money doesn't bring happiness. It could help to some extent, but happiness is state of mind. And if you are happy with your current financial situation, whatever it is, and your future, then you don't need sliver bullet trading system. But you definitely need this system if you want to control your financial future by spending only 60 to 90 minutes a day. You don't have to sit in front of the computer all day. Today I showed trades trading for 1 hour 50 minutes total, and in that 1 hour 50 minutes the software helped us generate $6,000. In fact, in my uh, real trading, we never achieved that because we don't trade both the direction indiscriminately. We are very selective about our trades because our goal is to protect our losses, not generate income. So we take only the high probability trades. Um, that demonstration was only to give you an idea of how the software takes trades, how it takes profitable trades, and if market goes against it, how it comes out of a losing trade for break even. So that was the purpose of the software demonstration. So yeah, so point is you don't have to spend 2 hours. Even 2 hours is the max, I would say. 60 to 90 minutes per day, you can generate decent income using other people's money. So now what your options are? Your option is to either drop it. Okay, you joined us today. Thank you very much. You will listen to me. You saw watch the demonstration, but you don't feel that this is your the passion, or this aligns with your way of your lifestyle. You can drop it. There is no everything is not for everybody. Um, uh, you know, football is not for me, so I cannot play football. Even if I have a good physique. So similarly, this trading is not for everyone. So you can drop it, or you can delay it. You liked what you see, but you want to think about it, decide it, about it, come back to it later. But most likely you will forget, and that's why it's delaying is not a good option. Because in my view, trading should be taught in schools and colleges. How to look for bargain, it should be part of economics class, or it could be part of finance, if not finance class. So buying low, selling high, or shorting high, covering low should be part of our basic economics. Unfortunately, it's not taught in our schools and colleges. So any delay will only further delay your education and potential profit in future. So in my view, that's delaying it is also not a great option. You can figure it out yourself based on the demo. You can reverse engineer and figure things out yourself. But trust me, it took us many years to figure this out. I've been doing it for 10 years and started to develop the software like 4 years ago. And I put the software to rigorous testing, tried to come up with different business models around that. And only when I was completely satisfied that I launched this program last November. So it took me almost 5 years. Maybe maybe you're smarter than me and you can figure it out in a year or two. But why to spend a year or two figuring it out yourself when things are going to be available to you in a month? We teach you everything in 4 sessions in 1 month and give you the software. So figuring out, of course, one can figure it out themselves, but that's not a smart decision to make because of the time it takes to figuring it out oneself. You can opt for some other trading program. There are tons of programs available in the market that comes in different sizes and flavors. But what we offer, I haven't seen anywhere else, in the sense we provide education, we provide the automated software, we provide the funding. There are other companies or trading programs that provide one or the other, not all, not even two, many times. But we provide all three, at the cost that no one can beat us. The trading programs start from $12,000 and go up to $54,000. We have surveyed the market. The software goes from $500 to $10,000. We have surveyed the market. And the funding source, we have affiliations with funding providers. They sometimes give up to 90% of discount. So for the getting the accounts from them. So we have everything in one place at a very reasonable cost, which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you the promotion as well that we are running today. So finally, the best option is to go for Silver Bullet trading system. And if you decide to go for this, this is the price before, it's not the sale price, this is the retail printed price. The software comes in two flavors, Silver Bullet Pro for 6,000 and Silver Bullet Lite for 4,000. Everybody purchased so far only the Pro because it comes with all the features, all the big bells and whistles. And it comes with training handbook and 2 months of group training support. But the offer that we are running is 30% off on Silver Bullet Pro and 10% off on Silver Bullet Lite. So we are still in the launch year, so we haven't completed 1 year. So until then, we plan to continue with this offer. So with 30% off, this whole entire program will cost you $4,200. It's a complete software package with education, with source of funding. And it includes access to Sliver Trades Academy, where we teach everything that you need to know about futures trading. We conduct a live weekly group training sessions. And after that, we provide you 4 weeks of support, so you become comfortable with the software and all the concepts that we teach. Even after that, you can email us for support, but your priority will be behind those who have joined us new that time. But we will not leave you alone in your journey. So that's one-time fee. This is one-time fee, and this software is a lifetime license, not subscription. And then we are running the promo. Promo is, if you purchase it by tomorrow, we will get you for free a $50,000 evaluation account. This is the account that the funding provider would want you to pass, and you pass by achieving $3,000 of profit. You can take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. But if you take more than 4 weeks, you have to pay subscription for that account, and subscription would cost you around $30 per month. So for $30 per month, you can try to pass the evaluation for over 1 month. And first subscription, you don't have to pay. We cover the cost of that. And once you achieve this target, you get the funded account where any profit will be yours except the 10% cut that the funding provider will take from you. And once you have one account, you rinse and repeat this process and get the second account, then the third account, then the fourth account, and you trade in all those accounts parallelly. And that's how you multiply your income. Just with one trade, you'll multiply your profit by the number of accounts that you have. We are developing a Bitcoin trading strategy. When we launch it, it will cost around $1,500. We'll give you that for free whenever we launch it. And this is the details about that funded program. It allows you to trade with 7 contracts and drawdown of $2,500. So you can start your journey today by visiting slivertrades.com. So here you go to slivertrades.com. So it's spelled SLIVERTRADEZ.com, and you can view the website, go to software part, and then click the buy now button. So once you uh, click on it, you add to cart. Before that, I would recommend that you read the agreement. Click on read the agreement. It has it's important stuff about the software, the privacy, the renewal, maintenance of subscription, and all that. And you'll be signing this contract after you make the purchase, because this software license is for one computer, and we note down your computer number on this software, so we can license it out for that computer. And it also has details about if you need to move the software to another computer after a few months or years, you can how to go about that. So important that you read that, and then you add to cart, view cart, and here you continue to check out, and then log in as guest. You don't have to sign up, just log in as a guest and enter the code launch 30. Once you enter, the price will come down to $4,200. So that's how you purchase it. And then you also get access to our academy. Here is the academy, and we'll give you access as soon as you make the purchase. And then we'll set up a time to start our sessions. And if you need any help with installing the software, we'll set up time for that as well. So note down this website and the coupon code, and the webinar day promo. Those who have joined the webinar today, we give you additional 10% off. So instead of 30%, we give you 40% off. So the price of this program is going to come down to $3,600. So this is a great deal. You can purchase the key to your financial independence for $3,600. And for this, to avail this, you cannot use this coupon code. You have to contact us. You email us to get the code for this, because since this program is going to be on YouTube, I'm not going to mention the coupon code. Only those who have attended the webinar today will get the coupon code to get this special price. So message us, email us, or call us at this at this number 331-255-3656, and the email is info@slivertrades.com. And once you message us, we will send you the code, and you can apply that code to make the purchase. And once you make the purchase, we'll send you a welcome email and give you access to Sliver Trades Academy. So this is how the Sliver Trades Academy looks like. It has a course curriculum, all the lessons, and a good number of training videos, and still building. It has about 6 or 7 training videos in it to cover all the aspects of training, because this is education, guys. This is not gambling. So this is some education. You have to spend time, and we'll be there with you for 1 month, teaching you everything in live session. And then you practice in a simulated account how to take trades, develop understanding of the platform and the software, and gain confidence. And once you have that, you can go for evaluation account, which will give you for free. You pass the evaluation, and then from there you go and take trades, build a discipline around what time you're going to trade every day. how many trades you're going to take, what kind of strategy you are comfortable with. Use that strategy and develop a consistent plan and show up in the market, take few trades, and uh, keep profiting for rest of your life. So this is the contact details. And if there is any questions, I would like to take those questions and answer them. So feel free to type in your question in the Q&A box, and I will answer them one by one. So the question is about Sliver Bullet Lite versus Pro. So Sliver Bullet Lite we just created for a pricing point of view, um, because and a cut down version. Those who do not want to spend more, we created a smaller version of it and priced it accordingly. But for the Pro version, we are running such aggressive promotions that Pro version is more attractive to people, and everybody has purchased Pro version only. So I would recommend that go for Pro version. Just in fact, with the webinar day promotion, there is no difference in light version and Pro version's pricing. So you get Pro version for the price of light version, which is $3,600. So so those, whether you are new to trading or never traded before, or you have some experience, this system is for everybody. This program is for everyone. So if you can spare an hour a day, almost any time of the day, it doesn't have to be a particular time, because futures market is open 23 hours a day and 5.5 days a week. So once you have the knowledge of trading, you cannot unlearn it. You cannot forget it. It's there for your it's there for you for life. It's like knowing your alphabet. Once you learned your alphabet in kindergarten, you don't forget it for life. Same way, once you have gained the knowledge of trading, you won't forget. Anytime you see the chart, you know, okay, I should buy at this point, I should come out at this point. You'll know how to go about trading and generating income. So let me see if there is any other question. So market DNA, I could not cover it. If you join the program, definitely we give you in-depth, course on that, and that will help you understand when the price is too high, when the price is low, all that. But feel free to look at our YouTube channel. Maybe I should show you the YouTube channel where we have covered market DNA extensively. So YouTube, so here is the Sliver Bullet trading system. So this is the YouTube channel, and you can watch. There are tons of videos here. So you can watch. I would say you watch the live section. Here you see trading secrets reveal. Different webinars are there from different week, and we also do sometimes live trading. We in live trading we show how to use the software and generate profit. So you can watch any of these, and you'll get the understanding of market DNA. All right, so yeah, do subscribe to this channel. All right, any more questions? So I don't see any questions, and it's close to 11. Thank you for being with me today. Hope this helps you understand how futures trading can help one generate, um, you know, unlimited income, or at least a living. I don't want you all to raise your expectations before you experience it yourself. And you can trade from anywhere in the world, wherever you have a laptop and good internet connection. So this can help you, and it's key to your financial freedom. Again, I'm Rao, signing out from Sliver Trades. Thanks for joining the webinar. Note down the contact details, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. Bye now.